I was a cyclist and always had a great appreciation for physiology and nutrition and the science that went into performing at an elite level. When I left that career, it really became apparent to me how far away from the optimum most people are in an everyday setting, and you're starting to really see the health implications of that in society. And so the fundamental difference for Radix is that we're working towards personalised nutrition. So first we had to come up with the technology that would enable us to come to market with a really high quality, very convenient format that enabled us to protect the nutrient quality and the supply chain that we've built. One of the most prominent things people recognise with our products is the format, and indeed it's freeze-dried. But it enables to pull together a very complex supply chain that we design around quality to protect those ingredients, to put into our customers' hands a product that with a 2-year plus shelf life can fit into their plans and their daily lives. So the technology that we're developing underneath the brand is called our RNA, or our nutritional architecture, which is the pulling together of every individual component that we believe can play a meaningful role in people's nutrition and health and wellness. We sought to draw together all of these disparate parts into a really simple solution for people, and one where we were able to apply all of the latest understanding and scientific knowledge right alongside what's being learned in genetics, the medical industry and the health industries. If you look at a really high quality source of nutrition, typically you get into fresh foods obviously being the ideal. There's a lot to be considered when it comes down to where food should come from, right the way back to things like soil quality, climate. You get a very, very complicated picture. So for us, we needed to simplify that and give ourselves the space to engineer and design a very high quality solution. We have worked 3 Olympic Games. We've worked with many teams at those games. We continue to work with a lot of world-class teams going forwards. But the thing that really excites us is how we start taking that to the mass market. And we're really fortunate to have a very excellent team of scientists, engineers and food technologists.